So they're finished for the day. The guy is just telling me that they work by time. Imagine. First time I've seen. Okay, so the time is important when they're getting someone else. So basically, they work by time. So they normally finish start early morning, probably 6, 7, finish around 4. Quite good. So tomorrow they're gonna come down and bend these things all this here. They're gonna come and bend it. I'll show you the top. Add some here. Add some mats here. He said he's gonna create a double mat because there's no because the carpenter doesn't want to extend this thing to here. They're gonna do a double mat to hold it, and you lot can see from the discussions we've had about the carpenter or the foreman basically. So basically he's reluctant to add a bit, to add the little bit. The steel bender says he should just do it. So add that bit there so that they can extend it to make it strong. So basically you kind of need something holding that side, any kind of extension. Sometimes it doesn't matter because it's not going to carry a heavy load. But the steel bender is adamant, the people here. But yeah, he's not prepared to do it. So, which is fine. He's done the extension that I wanted anyway, but he just not going to do that bit. And now the steel bender, the thing about in Ghana is the second you do something, the second you finish, as I've told you, someone will come. So he's saying that the steps, we shouldn't have done it like that. We should have done it where if you come from the front, you can go in there. And our thinking was anyone at the bottom has got nothing to do with the top. And so therefore, you park your car here or come from the back, you park through here, and then or you go through that gate and the side, and then you come through here. So that was our thinking. Or you can even come from the front as well. You just need to come through the steps here. So that was our thinking. But as I said, this guy there just literally told me that we should have done that way around. I said, well, you were here, and he said, well, it's done already. So I could change it, but I could just leave it and see. So yeah, so I'm assuming tomorrow they're just gonna come down, bend the rest of the iron rod. These ones here, they're gonna bend it like that, see, and then that should be it. Let me see if we have 6 for the bit. Yep, so we see got 6 here. Four here. If I also the max never to each one. 4 man baha. Baha and 4 man. Okay. About from here about 2 hours. Okay. Maybe I'm not strong. Okay. Okay. It is we be need a baby and you're okay. As a Fortino. Okay. In the honey, you're fine. And you're true. Okay. We're training now. Okay. Next day, get to us on the event, sir. Okay. Now, we are not a man to us, uncle, we are stepping on uncle. Who's the one ending with you? Until we are more with Dimmy Cacoto. Because we in you may have. Next time, never start to answer that. The moon, your boss, we are not to us, but for now, you want to us. Okay. Okay, no one laughs at us. Okay. It is 7 the same way, and the way say not one of the Tuesday. Okay.
Now what is the one?
I'm not probably.
That case.
Okay.
It's a bit that to me.
Okay.
From here to my case.
Now I see no more popular against you.
The catch them. Say, I don't want to. I'm not sure. But the blood pressure. I heard that. Okay. But I'm catching that I show.
Because baby, I'm a who be an. Hello.
That they show.
Maybe okay.
I mean, me catch it. So then by 5 minutes, I didn't want to for the dance. No, so. Then it's an over block I shall see.
Block no, because a hornbear toilet. Also, hornbear toilet. And I have to be a storage room for current. Block the bar there. But maybe the need to be a moon say.
Now, what they have is an Watson.
Mabusano. It is okay, make my yacht a pillar now.
Opland, the now down near the matter to medical.
It is one chase or me.
There they go, concrete or down to 2 4 months. Let me catch me, try to make plans so I didn't want to
on Carnival.
Yeah.
Say, I may be coming back. So change is permanent and me can't.
The own pen on no one cannot fit the home the echo. Mercy! Oh, because me, there is there what I become, but once I saw say, once I said, I feel like you but they can make me say, but almost to block, I shall say. I am a new set of it. But now, also, the tank is like that. What I know,
I will see you, Brian. NC has it. Okay.
Oh. John also in the over to blog I shall say now and now and then.
So, what's it happen? I didn't make a basic plan. Lenka, we never. I thought so.
I thought so. No, young Findiano.
Lenka, AC him.
Okay.
NC pillar or me.
Next one about next one.
Send us about the Kababe sea pillar with this. It will forever see land and so on. Say now, no one's out to see.
You can next one.
Next one.
Okay.
Next when you be at work.
Okay, second one.
Second one.
Maybe pillar power NC one. Because back when I say CBB so.
Well, couldn't you think I said,
sorry, it's
Nah, Bebo. Oh, you young one step there. You really ever start to us. It's only the other point. Make up third one.
Second one.
1, 2.
The one here.
The first one. The second one, the money pillar.
Okay, next oversight return up when you say, where you say. Okay, change some behavior. Okay. But or patch say, or no, be see the answer.
Two. Oh no boy, but like I said, see, no, because I didn't have a plan shots, and I'm say, I'm coming kind of got about to block a shots here.
Let's say people no baba 2 way. As I make us say. Sabai bi ati e ko bi be 2 way.
I cut through it. And here my pillar ni bio.
I hear pillar. Him na what dey pillar ni say.
Pillar bia.
No na kana
walk way. Pillar bia. Oh, we be cut through. I be told.
Bim da what dey no
Bim na on to me.
It's a very big say.
Yeah, I cut through it.
Nti
We no cut. Kwasi.
na bede na bi na ba o se nipa nam ha. Se nipa nam ha bede na bi.
Nam lali no. You know, better not allow you.
It was second one I will
Second one.
Right. Okay, fine. Nti. Make it be me that's true.
That's true.
That's true.
Okay,
it's your fruit so by we are.
More top.
Right. From there to here.
Yeah.
No, I saw in 15 years.
Yeah.
Right. It's a we pillar. No. Na happy lane.
Middle one okay no. Aha. It's a block work. The bear block work was here. Toilet and bath for where I sit with here. What no ano. No yeah. Ya kwesi na so. I'm going to be a baby. Secretary. That's one. That's one. No, that's a way now. The other buying I don't know. You can't check what you're about to it's a number channel. You won't get a big couple of years about
We are there. Oh, no, we are. Move money in your channel. And I'm visiting. Okay. It's a departing and saying a man can't shop plumber and say, I'm paying my departing. Also, on Zoom, the oil, and I yes, I
when I'm
made a minute rush. But plumber, I'm a catcher, no.
And on Wednesday.
Wednesday, okay. Next is when we had the only honey as some.
Either when electrician or another.
We okay with that. Okay, because guys, we need to we are. Okay. To be much I say. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, my first I'm a catcher.